Today's meditation comes from Psalms chapter 37 verse 7. Rest in the Lord and wait patiently for Him. My dear believers, in these days, we think waiting time is a wasting time. Most of us, we think immediately the work should be completed. When we pray to the God, God should answer immediately. This is what we expected. King David was anointed by Prophet Samuel, probably at the age of 15 or 16 years. But David also might be thinking, I am going to be the next king of Israel very soon. After God rejected the king Saul, he was still sitting on the throne. In fact, he tried to kill the David because he is the threat for him. Now the Bible also clearly promises 13 times King Saul tried to kill the David, but God protected. So all the time the David is running for his life. Jonathan and David's wife are trying to protect. The Bible also clearly says, probably 10 long years, he ran for his life. David got many chances to kill the King Saul. Since he is living inside the palace after the marriage, he can kill his father-in-law. But still, he did not do that. If he fight with the war with the King Saul, surely David is going to win. Because he has given the great victories for the Israelites. Similarly, he got twice in the wilderness. He can able to kill the King Saul, but still he did not kill. But in fact, his army commander said, I will kill if you don't want it. But David did not allow it. But he waited patiently upon the Lord. Because till his time comes, till God anoints him to be the king, till God gives the chance him to sit on the throne, he waited patiently. Even though he got chances, but he did not use it. Because King Saul was anointed by the God. You don't want to raise his hand against the anointed ones. My dear believers, sometimes it takes time to fulfill our dreams. God has the better plan for us. Sometimes God may not answer immediately. Now if you look at the life of Joseph, probably 15 or 16 years he got the dream. At the age of 39, his dream was fulfilled. 30 long years he was doing the slavery. After that he became the prime minister of Egypt. But during his difficult situation, during his problematic situation also, he waited upon the Lord. That is what the rest of the life, King David ruled the Israelites 4 long years. Joseph enjoyed the rest of his life in Egypt. When we wait patiently upon the Lord, what He is going to give the reward is more than what we expect. God promised to the Abraham at the age of 76, you are going to have the sons. And Abraham was waiting every time. Maybe the following year, the next year, he tried, married with another lady, and he got the son Ishmaelites. But God is not expected that. God wanted to do something miraculous through him. At the age of 100, Abraham got the Isaac. Now my dear believers, 24 long years he waited upon the Lord to answer it. David is waited 10 long years. To fulfill the Joseph dream, almost 23 long years it took. Maybe something you were expecting from the God, something you might be praying. God is not answered it. Don't disgrace. Don't disappoint. When God has a special plans, we may not understand it. Sometimes we be disgraced. Sometimes we go away from the God. Sometimes you think, why God is not answering me? Sometimes you think, why the promises are coming only to me? God is going to answer in His time. But only thing is, we need to wait patiently. So Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31 says, those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Those who wait upon the Lord, they are going to renew their strength. So keep all your problems and difficulties upon the Lord. The Lord is going to answer our prayers in His time. May God bless all of us.